You have an entitlement that says Network Cloud-Served, then you need to install the Sentinel Rights Management System on a server. Don't know how? This is the video for you to get going on Linux. To get your environment working, you download the RMS installation package, install and activate the RMS on your Linux server, and configure your Uniface machines to connect to this RMS. You can download the Sentinel RMS from the Rocket Customer Portal. Log in to the Rocket Customer Portal at my.rocketsoftware.com. Click on Downloads and select Uniface under Select a Product. Click on the blue link to the left of Uniface Sentinel RMS. Download the self-extracting archive for your platform. See the README to see which is applicable for your platform. Upload the file to the machine you wish to install the RMS on. To install the RMS on Linux, you need root privileges. Log in as root. Extract the package using tar. After extracting, start the install script. Read and press Y to accept the license agreement. Enter the path where you want the RMS License Manager to be installed. Choose 1. Cloud Served when prompted for the type of license you will be using. Enter the entitlement ID of your Network Cloud-Served license and press Enter. You can choose to enter any additional entitlement ID or press Enter to continue. Enter a friendly name to register this machine, and the installer will now proceed to copy and generate files into the installation directory and create service script. If prompted, press Y to open the port 5093 in your firewall. Your Uniface servers and clients can now connect to this RMS. Add this assignment setting to the assignment file of your Uniface servers or clients, replaced with the hostname or IP address of your RMS server.